In the workshop today, the phone rang while consulting about the projects we will do with Serkan. Harry master looking. He pushed his limits while testing his project and broke the front tongs. Says, I'm stuck on top of the mountain. He said, can you come and pick me up with your father's tractor? When I told Serkan, what is the need for a tractor? He said, I will bring him with an electric car. How will you bring? I said, there is no safe behind the electric car. He said, I'll arrange it. Let's go. Immediately get on electric cars with Serkan. We set out to Harry. Harry drifted when he came to save me. Wait, Ferret Brother said, what will happen? We also came across a construction machine. Harry will wait for the construction machine this time too. After waiting a little for the machine to be pulled, he got out of the way and we moved on. Harry's vehicle's tongs were broken. He keeps trying to make me sit down with his hand and wonder if I can drive. Let's throw the electricity in Serkan. He said in the workshop we will boil it. I don't understand how to throw the electricity. Serkan pulled the electric car in front of Harry's vehicle. Front of the vehicle. Put it on the back of the electric car. Serkan electric car. Harry got into the car he made himself. Like a remorque. Electric car is very nice. He was able to tow Harry's car. Serkan's plan seems to have worked while trying to shoot Serkan Harry. Harry brakes in front of Serkan's car, trying to lift it up. There's nothing to do with your adrenaline buff. Although the roads are very bad, electric car is very nice. He manages to pull Harry's car. The front of the electric car goes up and down. I follow behind them too. It's very comfortable. Serkan is tampering with his phone in the back seat while driving. I'm not jealous of the pleasure in Harry, but the road here is so broken. Harry looks pretty scared how he got stuck on the steering wheel. Finally, we came to the workshop. As Serkan said, the electric car brought it here very well. Didn't give us an adventure. I was sure we would have an adventure. However, I thought that the front of the car could not go. We tried to replace the broken piece. After a little effort, it sat nicely in its place. I tried to boil it well. I don't think this sauce will break. I boiled it very well. But Harry pushes the conditions of the car so much that it will definitely take another place. See you in the next video.